cook up sausage for breakfast. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much. Right away, I'm going in with my cut up seasons. So here it is, my people. As you can see, sauteing my season right into the pot. Okay, cook up sausage for breakfast this morning with some nice fried plantains. Alright, yes man, so we are going to do it this morning. Saute this up now and we are going to cut the sausage them up nicely. Alright, soon come back. So okay now everyone, so we've seasoned well saute up. This is our sausage. This is 3 tins of Vienna sausages. Okay, we are dump everything into the pot today. Just like that. Remember, quick and simple breakfast recipe. Cook up some sausages nicely. Alright, and remember now, sausage got some salt, so don't salt the pot too much. So at this time, now everyone, at this time we're gonna go in with about a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, and all I am going to use is this soul food season. That's it. This got everything into it. All you need is just a pinch of it. Remember I said your sausage got its own seasoning. It has salt. It got salt, my people. Okay, so stir this up and we're gonna add some ketchup on him. Alright, yes my people. So now we're gonna go in with our ketchup, about a tablespoon of ketchup. Okay, and we're gonna stir him up nicely. Stir it up. Sorry, just like I'm doing right now. Stir up everything and make all that ketchup spread on your sausage. Cook up sausage, my people. It tastes nice, look good, smell good. Everything about this is good. It smells nice, you see? Yes. And this is about it, you know, my people. See it? Nice, lovely cook up sausage breakfast recipe this morning. Now my people, there you have it. Now don't forget, this is from my kitchen, straight on your breakfast table. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so very much for watching. Like, comment and share.